Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig. Supposed to be Wednesday. Wig whenever. Okay, I'll be reviewing this cutie here. It's a half wig. It's by UNice or UNice hair. Bought it a little while ago and it came in a box like this. I don't know where the box is to this or where the information is to this. I think it came with headbands, even though this is a half wig. It don't have that black headband sewed onto it. This is called the Jerry Curly 24-inch half wig. See that curl pattern? And I always wash my human hair wigs. I co-wash them in cool, lukewarm water. And I either use this leave-in conditioner. This is Aussie Hair Insurance leave-in conditioner. Or I use this other stuff. It's supposed to be made for children. So Cozy Kids leave-in conditioner for curly hair, and it smells good. Okay, so once again, that's how it looks. So let me show you how it looks in the Amazon ad. This is how she looks. See that? And what did it say? I'm not even sure if it came with headbands or not, but I've always worn headbands with my half wigs. So the headband wigs with the black headband attached, they're headbands with they're half wigs with headbands attached. They still half wigs. So let's put it on. I didn't bring bobby pins in here. Okay, this wig has a long comb at the top and a long comb at the back, and two adjustable straps. I've been wearing this wig. So there are adjustable straps, and that's the way the wig cap looks. And it's big head friendly because it fits my big head. Okay. And that's how the weft looks in the front. So you can either comb out some of your own hair, or you can wear a headband like I do. So let's put it on. And it's been washed a couple times now, co-washed, and sprayed with some of that leave-in conditioner. I didn't even put no curling mousse on it this time. I don't have my bobby pins in here, so I'm trying to pull this wig down over this ball. My hair just combed back and I have it in a ball. Okay. Do I have bobby pins in here? No. Okay. I think I might have to go get them, because I always wear bobby pins with my half wigs. Okay, I'm going to have to go get them. I'll be back. Okay, I went and got my 2 large bobby pins. So pull this hair up some, pin it. Even though it feels secure, I don't take no chances. I don't have no wig grip on. I've seen some people wear wig grips with half wigs, but if it's pushed so far back on your head for a half wig, I don't see how it secures. Okay. Now I'm going to pull these 2 little skinny, see how they look, little skinny headbands up to cover this weft. Just push it up against the weft And I might put one on top. Okay, what's going on there? Put one on top. Come on, get back. Get back. I can't see what's going on looking at the camera. Oh, that hair. Okay. No, I got to do better than this. Oh, I see. This hair is so curly. Well, you know what? I ain't gonna put it up like that. I just put it here. I want you to be able to see that I got two headbands on. I know what look I want. Not that far back. That's a wave. And what is going on there? Let me get it right. Put this one up. Push this one right up against the well. Well, that's as good as she gets. Still cute. These waves are popping, y'all. Hopping all up over the headband. But anyway, this is my 24-inch UNice Jerry Curly wig, human hair wig. And I'm really loving my half wigs and my headband wigs. So I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see. Right side. Back 24 inches is past the bra strap thing, and left side. And this is 150 density hair and 10A Brazilian hair. I don't know what that means, but that's what it said. 10A. So this is all of it to the front. I don't ever pull all of it to the front. I know some people wear their hair like that. It's too hot all around my neck. No. When it's back, it's nice and cool. The hair is really soft, silky, and cute. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. And I'll put the information to this wig in my description box. I'll pin it to the first comment. Okay? Some of y'all may be interested and you want to be able to find the description box depending on what you're watching my videos on. So if you're watching on a cell phone or something, it may not even show up. So thumbnail. Okay, bye.